Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 sums in some basic principles and techniques. This is a lesson in 11th standard, first chapter in organic chemistry. Okay. Now let us see the first question. Simple one. The number of sigma bond and pi bonds in pen 2-ene and 4-ene are. That's a question. Okay. First of all, you should know how to draw the pen 2-ene and 4-ene. Okay. So pent means you know that. Pent means how many carbon? Pent means 5 carbon. Okay, so 5 carbon you should put. Then so I'll give the number. I'll start the number from left to right. Okay, so pen 2-ene means what's the meaning for the pen 2-ene means the double bond in between 2 and 3. Double bond in between 2 and 3. Understood? Okay. Then 4-ene means what? Triple bond in between 4 and 5. This is 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple bond in between 4 and 5. Okay. Triple bond. Okay, right. That's all. Now you can fill by hydrogen. Other place you put single bond. Okay. Then fill by hydrogen. So here that. Okay. H. Already 3 bonds are there. Remaining you put only 1 bond. Already 3 bonds are there. Remaining you put only 1 bond. Here already 4 bonds are there. No need to put any hydrogen here. Here already in this carbon already 3 bonds are there. Then you put only 1 hydrogen. Understood? Okay. Now they are asking to find only sigma bond and pi bond. I already told you sigma bond means only single bond. Okay. So a single bond, all the sigma bond is considered as a single covalent bond is called sigma bond. You know that. Okay, right. Here also single bond. So here if any double bonds means first bond we consider as sigma bond, the second bond we consider as what? Pi bond. Okay. Here all sigma bond. I told first bond is considered as sigma bond, remaining is considered as pi bond. Here also pi bond. Understood? This also sigma bond. Now they are asking to find out number of sigma bond and pi bond. That's a question. No. So you have to count all the sigma bond. How many sigma bond here? Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 sigma bond. Okay. Pi bond means how many pi bond? Here 1, 2, 3. So 10 sigma bond and 3 pi bond. So B is option. Correct answer. Understood? Next one. So you must know how to draw the structure. Okay. Then only you can able to find out sigma bond as well as pi bond. You should be familiar in IPS name system as well as the basic basic principle. You should know how to give the IPS name. This and all if you know means you can able to solve this kind of problem. Next one. Arrange the following carbocation in order of stability. Okay. So carbocation means what? What is the meaning for carbocation? Carbon having what? Positive charge is called what? Carbon having positive charge is called what? Carbocation. Understood? Carbon having positive charge is called what? Carbocation. Suppose carbanion means carbon getting negative charge is called carbanion. Okay. That stability we have to they are given benzyl, allyl, methyl, vinyl. So we have to arrange them. Here mostly they are given only decreasing order. Okay, so first you should know benzyl. Benzyl means what's the formula for benzyl means benzyl CH2 plus benzyl CH2 plus. Okay, benzyl. Allyl means allyl CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 cation. You put plus charge here. It's called allyl cation. Understood? Methyl means simply you can say methyl CH3 plus. Understood? CH3 plus. Then vinyl means here you put plus here. That's all. Instead of allyl CH2 plus vinyl is CH plus. That's the difference. So vinyl CH2 okay double bond CH plus. This is structure. Understood? Now you have to arrange them decreasing order of stability. How to say the decreasing order of stability means? So see the resonance structure. So which species having more number of resonance structure, that will be more stable. So when you draw the resonance structure for this one, we are getting nearly 4 structures. Okay, 4 structures resonance structure. Here 4, here 4 structure. Here we are getting suppose when here one of the bond goes here means the charge comes to here. Understood? So we are getting here 2 resonance structure. Understood? Here methyl means here methyl carbocation, this is called vinyl carbocation. In methyl carbocation, this is called what kind of hybridization means here sp2 hybridization. Carbon getting sp2 hybridization. Here in this case, carbon getting what? sp hybridization. Sp, understood? Sp hybridization. In this case, we have sp hybridization here. So first of all, if you are here, this the last two structure we don't have any resonance structure. First two only we have resonance structure. Among this, we have four structure, here two structure. So that this is a more stable when compared to this. Then when here suppose here, then here sp2 carbon, here sp carbon. So sp carbon having more S character. Here nearly 50% S character. Here in this, here we have 33% S character. More S character. S character means, here one S orbital, one P orbital, no? So S orbital 50%, P orbital is also 50%. So in sp hybridization, S character of this one is called 50%, this is called 33%. More the S character, less will be the stable. Okay. So among this, so this is the arrangements. Here benzyl, allyl, here methyl, then vinyl. So if you know the resonance structure, we can able to arrange them very easily. The first one, benzyl is the first one. Second one, allyl. Then third one, as usual, methyl. The last one is, vinyl. So this is the correct option. We're following. Okay. So you must know how to draw the resonance structure. Each and every one we have the resonance structure. Understood? Okay. Next one, this also stability. They are given three compounds: but-1-ene, cis-2-butene, trans 2-butene. But-1-ene means, but-1-ene means, what's the outer draw? CH3, single bond, CH2, CH, double bond, CH2. Okay. Cis means, here also, okay. Cis 2-butene, no, 2-butene. Okay. Here double bond in between, 2 and 3. Understood? Okay. We want to write cis means what? Same site. Same site, same group, similar groups are present. Trans mean same group in opposite side. That's the meaning. Okay. So mostly here, okay, first we put carbon, double bond, carbon. Okay. Then cis, I'm going to draw the cis structure. Cis structure means here similar group in same side. Okay. Similar group in same side. This is called what? Cis. It's called cis-2-butene. Understood? Yeah, suppose when you rotate means what happens? CH3 goes up, hydrogen comes down. That's called, trans 2-butene. Understood? Here, this CH3 I put as it is, here H as it is. These two groups only interchange. Okay. Right. Okay. This is called, cis. This is called what? Trans. Understood? Okay. This is nothing but only but-1-ene. Okay. So when compared to these two, cis and trans, okay, trans is more stable. Suppose here, in cis-2-butene, the two groups are near, no? There is a, steric effect. Okay. Due to steric effect, this will be less stable. Okay. When compared to cis and trans, same group, CH3, CH3 opposite side. So even the big groups, they are all in opposite side means this is somewhat more stable. So trans is more stable. Trans means, third is the more stable. No, third one. Okay. Third is the most stable. Next one is cis one. Okay. In here, but in this case, when compared to cis and 1-butene, in cis-butene we have two methyl group. So usually if you have the alkene, more number of alkyl group, that will be the most stable. But in this case, here it contains, only alkyl, only ethyl group is present. Here two methyl group is present. So when compared to this and this is more stable. So trans is more stable than cis. Cis is more stable than but-1-ene. So what? So answer is B is the correct option. Understood? Okay. Right. Next one. Which of the following is an electrophile group? So we have topic, electrophile and nucleophile. Electrophile means what? Electron deficient species are nothing but, it's called positive charge species. Okay. Nucleophile means what? What is nucleophile? Nucleophile means, negative charge species. Okay. Electron rich, electron deficient. Understood? Then nucleophile, how to find out means it has lone pair of electron. It does not have any lone pair of electron. This is a way to identify. But they're asking to find out only which of the following is an electrophile group. Electrophile group means electron deficient species. Okay. Okay. Electron deficient species are nothing but, octet rule is not satisfied. So that kind of species we have to find out. Okay. Octet rule is not satisfied means here, suppose here, if you take nucleophile means, if we draw the water structure, we have lone pair of electrons for this. We have lone pair of electron. Okay. Okay. Right. So here in water, we have lone pair of electron. In ammonia, we have lone pair of electron. In Amine also we have lone pair of electron. We have lone pair of electron. All this we have lone pair of electron. Here also lone pair of electron. This also lone pair of electron. Okay, this also lone pair of electron. So I told you, no, if you have lone pair of electron means that's called nucleophile group. But they're asking to find out only electrophile group. Electrophile group means suppose here aluminum chloride, only the octet rule is not satisfied. So answer is what? C is the correct option. Understood? Okay. Next one. Very simple one. The epoch name of the following compound is, they are given one common. Okay. So usually here simple one, only double bond is given. So whenever if you give the number, double bond should be in lowest carbon. Okay. So how to give the number? First of all, you give the number. Okay. Numbering means this is carbon number 1. This is 2. This is this is called 3. This is 4, 5, 6. Correct or not? Okay. So there are 6 carbon. 6 carbon means what? 6 carbon means what? X. Okay. Hexene. 6 carbon means what? Hexene. Double bond in between 2 and 3. No. Double bond in between 2 and 3 means what? We can say 2 hexene, or we can say X2ene. Both are same. 2 hexene. Then when you give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 3 having what? Ethyl group is present. Understood? Carbon number 3 having what? Ethyl group is present. So what? 3 ethyl, 2 hexene. Understood? 3 ethyl, simple one. 3 ethyl, 2 hexene. So answer A is the correct one. Are you following? Same common if you give the number from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 having double bond. No, the double bond starts in fourth one. But always double bond should be in lowest carbon. So left to left, give the number in left to right. That's the correct one. Understood? Okay. Next one. Which of the following behaves both as nucleophile group as well as electrophile group? Okay. It acts as a both electrophile group as well as nucleophile group. Which compounds having? Okay. I already told you. If any double bond, if you see means any lone pair of electrons. Methylamine means only lone pair of electron. That's all. So it acts as a nucleophile group. Okay. Here this is having lone pair of electron. Okay. It acts as a only nucleophile group. Okay. Double bond means this is also electron rich. This is also nucleophile group. Okay. This 3 only act as a nucleophile group, but CH3CN this only act as both electrophile group as well as nucleophile group. See this having, so listen all of you, see. Okay, right. Okay. See here now it has lone pair of electron. No, when you draw this structure, it has lone pair of electron. Then only if you have lone pair of electron, I am saying it is called what? Nucleophile group. Okay. Then same thing. Suppose here resonance structure. Suppose when it comes here, what happen? This will break. Okay. Here the charge will be developed. Here now what's the structure? What's the new structure is obtained? CH3. Okay, C. Okay, CH3, C. Here already triple bond. No, now it becomes what? Double bond. Understood? Double bond. C. Now this lone pair makes one bond. No, so double bond. N. Okay, already lone pair of electron is present. Now it gets what? Now this lone pair makes a bond. No, it's giving. No, then only I put what? Plus charge. Okay, then here double bond will be formed. Here this bond will break. It forms here negative charge. Okay, negative charge. Now positive charge is also present. I told you already. Electrophile means only positive charge. Okay, nucleophile means what? Lone pair of electron. But in this species, only positive charge is also present. Lone pair of electron is also present. So this only acts as a both. Are you following? This act as both nucleophile group as well as electrophile group. Understood? Okay. Next one. Very simple. Identify the chiral common in among the following. Okay. What is chiral carbon? What is chiral compound? Chiral compound means what? Around the carbon atom, all the groups are different. No. Okay. Around the carbon, all the groups are different. Okay. So that kind of compound we have to find out. That's called chiral compounds. Okay. So when you draw this, you have to find out which carbon are having. All the groups are different. So okay, I'm going to draw this one. Butane, 2-ol. Okay. Pentane, 2-ol. Pentane means what? 5 carbon. 2 means 2 having what? OH group. Understood? Then you can fill by hydrogen. How to fill up. Okay. So here this side CH3. Here 1 H. Here what? CH2. Here what? CH2. Here CH3. Understood? So now you take this carbon. Around the carbon atom, all the groups are different. No. Left hand side, methyl. Here hydrogen. Here OH. Here propyl group is present. So this carbon is called, we can say what? This carbon is called, we can say chiral carbon. Understood? Chiral carbon. Okay. This carbon is called chiral carbon. So compounds having chiral carbon, that compounds is called, we can say, chiral compounds. Okay. So likewise, we have to find out other one. Suppose sometimes two groups are similar, or any especially the two groups are similar, but in this case only all the four groups are different. Okay, then only it is called what? Chiral carbon. This only having the tendency to rotate the plane polar slide. This is a condition for what? Optically active compounds. Any compound is act as an optically active compound means the compound should have what? Chiral carbon. So pentane to all act as a optically active compounds. Okay. So in this way we have to find out. Understood? So answer is B is the correct one. Understood? Okay. I hope you understood everything. Thank you, students.